Hello students, today we are here to discuss difference between matrix and determinant. Some points I have already written here and I will explain every point with the help of example. First point, a matrix cannot be reduced to a single number, that is no specific value of matrix. No specific value of matrix. For example, A is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. We can't solve it further, write as it is. But in case of determinant, A determinant is equal to 5, 7, 6, 8. We can simplify it, we can find the value of this. Determinant can be reduced to a single number or it has a specific value. We can simplify it. 5 8s are 40 minus 7 6 are 42, then minus 2. The minus 2 is the value. It means it has a unique value. Okay, and matrix, it does not have a numerical value. Got it? First point. Now second point, number of rows may or may not be equal to the number of columns in matrix. Number of rows may or may not be equal to the number of columns. For example, 2 3 0 1, there is a matrix. Another matrix 2 3 minus 1 0 1 9. Another matrix 1 5 6 7 9 1. What's the order of this matrix? 2 by 2. What's the order of this matrix? 2 by 3. What's the order of this matrix? 3 by 2. So number of rows may or may not be equal to the number of columns. But in case of determinant, number of rows must be equal to the number of columns. Look here. 1 2 3 4. This determinant is of order 2, or this determinant is of order 3, because always we will consider a square matrix, so that's why number of rows must be equal to the number of columns. Got it? Third point, different matrices can be formed by interchanging its rows and columns. For example, we are taking a matrix 2 3 minus 1 minus 3. If we interchange rows and columns, what we will get? We will get this row becomes the first column 2 3, second row becomes second column 3. Now these two matrices are different. Okay. Third point, for the determinant, the value of determinant does not change if the rows and columns are interchanged. For example, if we are taking a determinant 2 3 minus 1 minus 3, if you want to change rows and columns, interchange rows and columns, in this case, what will get? Your new determinant would be 2 3 minus 1 minus 3. But after simplification of this, we will get 2 minus 3 minus 3 into minus 1 minus 6 plus 4 minus 3. And now when you simplify this, minus 3 into 2 minus 1 into 3, and you'll get minus 6 plus 3 and minus 3. So we are getting the same value. It means the value of determinant does not change if the rows and columns are interchanged. Got it? Fourth point, elements of a matrix are enclosed in such type of notations. For example, there is a matrix 2 3 0 1, or we can write like this 2 3 0 1. But elements of a determinant are enclosed in such type of brackets. For example, 2 0 3 1. Okay, and one more point is left. Fifth point, for multiplying a matrix by k, all of its elements are multiplied by k. K is a constant here. For example, let k is equal to 5 and a is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 9. Or if you want to multiply this matrix by 5, so we will multiply each and every element of this matrix by 5. Not only one row or one column, each and every element of this matrix. So 5, 20, 5, 10, 25, 10, 15, 0, 45. It is the matrix. Okay. And here in case of determinant, for multiplying a determinant by k, elements of any of its rows or columns are multiplied by k. For example, k is equal to 5 and determinant 141 252 309. 5 determinant A 5 1 2 3 4 5 0 1 2 9. In this case, we will multiply any one row or any one column. We are multiplying this R2. Then what will you get? You will get 5, not 5 because we are multiplying this by 5. What is left? 4 1 1 4 1 10 25 10 309. So we can multiply any one row or any one column. If you want to multiply a column, let us suppose that you want to multiply this first column, then what will you get? You will get like this. First of all, write in this manner. You want to multiply this first column, what will you get? 5, 10, 15. Other columns write as it is. So it is a difference between matrix and determinant. I think that you can understand it. Okay, thank you very much. That's all.